Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third day of sneak peeks that's coming out Friday, which is tomorrow, November 4th. Alright, so tomorrow is the big launch, you guys. All of these products that I have been sharing between day 1, 2, and 3, everything will be released tomorrow at midnight Mountain Standard Time. Alright, just so you know. I'm letting you know ahead of time because so that you don't miss out on buying anything. So the final product that I have to share with you is this one right here, and it's a music box. Now, if you are plan on purchasing this music box, just letting you know ahead of time that it comes with two, because the box, it comes with so many dies that she had to split it into two packages. So you will receive a music box A and music box B. But this is to complete one box and it comes with everything. Now, obviously it doesn't come with the magnet sheets. I just did that because I got this from Anna, who is Anna's Crafting World, I believe. And I really love that idea. And because I like to keep everything in its original package. And in the back shows you what you can create using this die set. And I didn't use the penguin. I ended up using something else because I wanted to work with this really cute paper collection that I worked with, I think it was 2 years ago, and it's so cute. And then I want to share with you also that I've been hoarding these stickers. Are from Dollar Tree. I don't know if they have them this year, but they're so cute and they went very well with the box that I created. So now let me share with you my super cute music box. I literally just finished it a few minutes ago. So here it is, you guys. Look how cute this is. Look, you guys, here are the stickers that I was talking about, and I just made that rosette. And then there is a gold snowflake behind there, and look how pretty the paper is. And look at the box. Oh my gosh. So the box does come with a bow. So there is that bow. And in the center, I added that charm. Both of these charms are from Amazon. And so I lined everything up. I didn't do anything to the bottom. But I thought this was so cute. I love it. I'm not going to lie, but I especially love this. If you know me, you know that I love bows. I love adding bows to everything that I can. And yeah, so then you open this up, you guys, and look at that. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I think she is just so adorable. Now this snowflake cookie is from, I'm pretty sure that it's from the Gnome collection. Oh yes, it is, because it's from this collection right here. You can see, and I could have added some of these, but I forgot. But look how cute that is, and it has a place for you to store something or to give something. And I added some of my little mini rosettes that I made a few years back, and I absolutely love them, and they were the perfect size for this. So that is pretty neat, you guys. So it's held on by acetate. There's the acetate in the back, and so it closes. It closes down this way, and then obviously when the lid opens up, this pops up. And oh, actually, you know what? It's not even acetate. I actually used, it was some Tim Holtz chipboard sentiments, I think it was, and I used the packaging from that too. And it's that plastic that I used behind there. So that's what I did. And everything is lined up, as you can see. And yeah, it's so cute. And then obviously you can see that's where it closes. Oops, my rosettes. There you go, see? And that is how it closes, you guys. And this is kind of heavy, I think, maybe, and that's why it doesn't lift. But it does want to lift, I think, because of the little gingerbread, the thing that pops up, see? And there you go. It's very easy, you guys. So that is it for today, you guys. I hope you like my little music box. I think it's just so adorable. So you guys, don't forget, tomorrow, Friday, November 4th at 12 midnight Mountain Standard Time, will launch this new release. All right, that is it for today, you guys. As usual, I will have a link to Pixi Does Designs in the description box. Go ahead and click that link. Check out to see what else maybe you might be interested in. Some of the other mugs might still be available, but there is more coming in the way. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.